Hi Jeepers! Excited to greet fellow Jeep enthusiasts on my channel once more. Enhance the comfort level of your Jeep with accessories handpicked by us. I hope you like them. From tough enhancements for rough terrains to chic upgrades, there is something for every Gladiator or Wrangler lover. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe. Picture this, you roll up to Trailhead, ready for adventure, but what's that? Your gear is sprawled out for everyone to see. Fear not, BIGACOVER cargo cover swoops in to save day. With a smooth, retractable design, cargo cover effortlessly conceals your belongings with a simple pull. Installing easier than making your morning coffee. No, seriously. Just snap it into place, and you're good to go. It's like cargo cover is whispering, "I got this," as it effortlessly fits into your Wrangler's lifestyle. Built to withstand trials of off-road escapades, cover is as tough as your Wrangler itself. It's not just about protection, it's about style. Cargo cover adds touch of sophistication to your Wrangler's rear, elevating its aesthetic game. Who said practicality can't be stylish? Your Wrangler deserves best, and cargo cover delivers, practical, sleek, and tad bit sassy. Because why not add a dash of personality to your off-road companion? Embark on a road trip with Naturnest car tent, your key to on-the-go comfort. Aluminum frame, robust yet lightweight, guarantees an easy setup wherever your adventures lead. Easily raise roof to create a cozy shelter above car, a sturdy fortress against elements. Easily transforms your car into a mobile hotel room under stars. Design seamlessly blends practicality and style, adding a touch of adventure to your vehicle. Naturnest understands camping as an experience, not just utility. Pop-up mechanism, a hero in its own right, transforms your shelter with a flick, revealing home with view. Aluminum frame stands strong against weather whims, while pop-up roof offers a swift and uncomplicated camp setup. So when you go on trip, ask yourself, do you want an ordinary tent or an unforgettable rooftop shelter ready to turn your journey into an unforgettable saga? Choice is yours, fellow travelers, and answer will come by itself. Ever found yourself at the tailgate of life, wondering where to set up your feast? MOLLE panel adds a touch of tactical flair, as if your table is gearing up for a gourmet mission. It's not just about dining, it's about making a statement, one delicious meal at a time. Crafted with precision, Tailgate Table is a reliable companion for your culinary escapades. Attach your cooking essentials, hang utensils, and conquer the culinary battlefield with flair. But it's not all about business. EOIS MOLLE panel Tailgate Table knows how to have fun too. It's not just a table, it's a partner in crime for your outdoor shenanigans. As you unfold this tailgate masterpiece, it's like table itself is saying, let the feast begin. Beauty lies not just in its functionality but in the camaraderie it fosters. It's a gathering point, a place where stories are shared, laughs echo, and friendships are forged over a delightful spread. It's a memory maker, transforming ordinary moments into extraordinary ones. So, next time you're gearing up for a tailgate adventure, ask yourself, do you want just a table? Or do you want the EOIS MOLLE panel Tailgate Table, a culinary companion that adds a touch of tactical charm, ready to elevate your outdoor feasting experience? Choice is yours, my friend, but with this table, feast is always served with a side of style and camaraderie. You're on road, and suddenly, a mysterious rattle echoes from your center console. What hidden treasures are causing commotion in your car's abyss? Meet TACOBRO Center Console Organizer. Isn't your typical organizer? No. TACOBRO orchestrates a grand harmony for your essentials, ensuring everything finds its place in vehicular symphony. Crafted with precision, it's like personal assistant for your car, revolutionizing your driving experience into a tidy haven. No more fumbling for spare change or sifting through receipts. Organizer has it all in check. Beyond compartmentalized space, it's a guardian of your automotive treasures. Beauty lies not only in functionality but in peace of mind it brings, transforming your car chaos into an ordered sanctuary. So, when you're on a quest to unearth your lost belongings from center console abyss, ask yourself, do you want a mirror organizer, or TACOBRO Center Console Organizer, a vehicular maestro poised to orchestrate order? feel like your Jeep craves dash of rugged style and touch of adventure? Consider hood vent cover specifically designed and fitted for 1997 to 2017 Jeep Wrangler JKTJ models. Made with precision, vent cover is functional upgrade, inviting breeze of fresh air into engine bay while exuding off-road charisma. It's about turning your Jeep into a visual anthem of off-road prowess. Does your Jeep want to be just vehicle or a style icon with a hood scoop vent cover? With personalized approach, Jeep is ready to conquer daring trails right away. Question is, what could give your Jeep that extra edge while keeping things safely under lock and key? Behold, RT-TCZ Hood Latches Catch Kit, your Jeep's new style and security sidekick. Functional upgrade, ensuring your hood stays securely locked even during the wildest off-road escapades. Think of it as your Jeep's way of saying, I'm not just about looks, I've got muscle to keep things in check. But it's not all serious business. Latch Kit knows how to have fun too. It's not just a mechanical addition, it's a charismatic companion, ready to turn heads and spark conversations. As you unveil RT-TCZ for Jeep Wrangler Hood Latches Catch Kit with lock, it's like your Jeep is getting a stylish makeover, complete with its very own security detail. An upgrade that goes beyond aesthetics, turning your Jeep into a confident, stylish traveler. So, dear Jeeper, as you embark on your next journey, ask yourself, does your Jeep want to be just a vehicle, or does it want to strut the trails with the RT-TCZ Hood Latches Catch Kit? Personalized touch that's as secure as it is stylish? Choice is yours, but with this kit, your Jeep is geared up for a stylish and secure adventure. Have you ever gone on an off-road adventure and imagined your vehicle as a superhero ready to conquer the wilderness? Question is, what if your off-road escapade meets an unexpected fiery enemy? Fear not, Voodonala holder will be your vehicle's reliable companion in face of an unexpected fire. This is not just a holder, it's like your car's firefighting superhero cape, tightly fitting fire extinguisher, ready to swoop in and save day. And it's not just convenience, it is a practical guardian standing on the roll bar of your car. Precision crafted, the holder is like a safety net for your fire extinguisher. This is a huge feature addition that ensures that if an unexpected flame breaks out, you have the means to tame it. This isn't just a safety feature, it's a conversation starter, your car's way of saying, I'm not just an SUV, I'm ready for anything. By equipping Voodonala Roll Bar Fire Extinguisher Holder, you'll give your vehicle a superhero belt ready for any adventure. An unparalleled safety measure to ensure your off-road adventures are not only exciting, but also well prepared for the unexpected. To set up Voodonala Roll Bar Fire Extinguisher Holder, start by identifying a suitable location on your vehicle's roll bar. Once chosen, position the holder over the spot, ensuring it fits securely. Use the provided straps or fasteners to attach the holder, adjusting them for a snug fit. Confirm the stability by gently shaking the holder. If there are specific instructions, follow them for a precise installation. Finally, insert fire extinguisher into the holder, making sure it is firmly secured. Let us know in the comments below if we missed anything and what else we should pay attention to when choosing. Links to the products we listed in today's video are located immediately below the description. And please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe, it means a lot to us.